Most people don't think about this in the winter, but they should. Let's cover something super important this time of year: gutters and gutter guards in the winter. If you've ever dealt with clogged gutters, you know how much of a headache they can be. But in the winter, things can get even worse. That's why choosing the right gutter guard is so important. In this video, we'll cover 5 benefits of having gutter protection, different winter gutter guard types along with how to select the best gutter guard for your gutters, and gutter guard installation in the winter. First up, here are 5 reasons why gutter protection is a must when temperatures drop. Number 1. Clogged gutters lead to water damage. A high-quality gutter guard like Leaf Filter helps keep debris out so water flows freely and doesn't cause costly problems like foundation damage or basement flooding. Number 2. Less maintenance. Nobody wants to be outside in freezing temperatures cleaning out gutters or risking their safety on a ladder. With Leaf Filter, your gutters stay clog-free guaranteed. That means no winter cleanouts, no icy ladder climbs, just peace of mind. Number 3. Helps prevent heavier ice buildup. Having a gutter guard will help prevent debris from entering your gutters in the first place. Number 4. Stops pests from nesting. Believe it or not, clogged gutters in winter can become a cozy home for rodents, birds, and insects looking for warmth. With Leaf Filter, there's no debris buildup inside your gutters, which means no place for pests to settle in. And finally, number 5. Long-term savings. If you've ever searched, how much do gutter guards cost? You know it's an investment, but when you factor in the cost of repairs from water damage caused by clogged gutters, hiring someone to clean your gutters every season, or even replacing broken gutters, a one-time gutter guard installation just makes sense. There are several types of gutter guards, each with its pros and cons. And while you consider the different types of gutter guards, remember not all gutter guards offer the same level of protection. If you're considering gutter protection, it's important to know the differences in gutter guard installation so you can make the best choice for your home. Let's do a quick gutter guard comparison. Foam gutter guards sit inside your gutters but tend to clog quickly and break down over time. Brush gutter guards work similarly, but they trap debris rather than block it, meaning you still have to clean them frequently. Mesh gutter guards offer better protection, but smaller debris can still slip through, requiring maintenance. Surface tension guards are designed to let water flow over while keeping debris out, but some struggle in heavy rain. Leaf Filter's micro mesh design takes it a step further, helping to block even the smallest debris while maximizing water flow. And it's backed by a lifetime transferable warranty, so you're covered for the long haul. Bottom line, gutter guards are essential year-round, especially in the winter. Protect your home, skip the heavy maintenance, and save yourself the headache of constantly having to clean out your gutters. Click the link in the description for a free estimate on the best gutter guards that can be professionally installed all year long.